Branding has a powerful and far-reaching impact on businesses. It goes far beyond logo or color scheme. Branding shapes how people perceive your business and often determines whether they trust, remember, and choose you over competitors. Here are the key impacts of branding on businesses. 1. Builds recognition and trust. A consistent and professional brand creates familiarity, which leads to trust. People are more likely to buy from your brand when they recognize and feel good about. 2. Differentiates you from competitors. Branding highlights your unique value, why you are different or better. In crowded markets, a distinct brand helps you stand out. 3. Create emotional connection. Good branding tells a story and conveys values that people resonate with. Emotional branding leads to loyalty even in the face of cheaper options. 4. Increases business value. A strong brand is an intangible asset that boosts a company's overall value. Investors and buyers often consider brand equity during evaluations. We have the 5th point to be supports marketing and sales. Branding provides a clear voice and identity for campaigns. Marketing becomes more efficient when customers already know and like your brand. 6. Boost employee morale and attraction. People want to work for companies they believe in and feel proud of. A strong brand helps attract top talent and improves internal culture. 7. Enables premium pricing. Strong brands can charge more because customers perceive higher value. Branding is not just what you say about your business, it is what people say when you are not in the room. A strong brand helps ensure that what they say is positive, memorable, and aligns with your goals. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for more insights on business, trade, and global logistics. You can also check the video description for additional resources and follow my WhatsApp channel for legitimate supplier links.